Hello everyone, in this video, I'll guide you through the solution steps for New Perspectives Excel 2019, Module 10, SAM Critical Thinking Project 1C. You can see the assignment instruction. To complete this project, follow these steps. Point 1. Sales Summary. Import the CSV with Power Query. Remove units sold and notes. Load as a table in A2. 2. Forecast Sheet. From previous year table, create a forecast sheet and date June 30, 2020 to name 6-month forecast. Place chart in C2. E1 3. Import access data. From the access file, import 2021 orders, products, purchases connection only plus add to data model. Insert a power pivot pivotable in stores A2. 4. Stores pivotable, category rows, storicity columns. Item values rename to products sold. Rename labels resize. 5. Timeline. Insert timeline using order date. Move to A12. G1 show all periods. 6. 100% stacked column chart. Create pivot chart from the stores pivotable. Place in H2 and 6. 7. Manufacturers pivotable. Insert another power pivot pivotable in manufacturers. A2 using manufacturer, category, and item. 8. Create relationship. Relate purchases itemid to products itemid. 9. Stacked bar chart. Make a stacked bar pivot chart. Place in I2, O5. Hide field buttons. 10. Category slicer. Add category slicer. Move to I2 6K38 filter to commercial. If you need our help, we provide two type of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at 447-309-655-268 or log into our website, helpinhomework.org, and chat with a customer support agent.